Hey there, just a quick thing I learned about Premiere. Again, I know nothing, and so this is something I learned. Sequences, I found out what sequences do. Say, for instance, I have I'm going to do this again. Do File, New, Sequence. I'm going to call it Full, right? Just the heck of it, right? And then hit OK. You see, I now have a bunch of sequences. Double click on Full, so it's highlighted. Then this is my footage. So go ahead and grab my footage and I put it in here. It's going to say, do you want to change it? I'm going to say yes. Now, I've just been playing games, right? And I've decided instead of the whole thing will last about an hour, I'm going to chop it into bits. So what I can do is I can find the footage that I want, right? And I can do two things. What I can do is, okay, there we go. About there, save that there. Click me razor, do that, right click this, and then cut, right? Now, this sequence full is this bit here, right? So then if I go File, New, Sequence, and then call it Fuller for the hell of it. I'm going to delete these anyway, Fullet. Okay. Okay, it's highlighted. Click on video 1. Highlight it, sorry, then Control V, all the stuff that I've just cut. Remember at the beginning I was playing connections, go back to beginning, so up key, it's not there anymore. So then what I can do is, this is what I did with this one. I can go to where I want. So for instance, I can go to the end of this, which is, keep going, it's about there, right? Okay, whatever. And then I can cut it again, get rid of this, right click, cut, and then do the whole thing and make another sequence, and that's what I've done with these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Fullet, and then get rid of that. I don't need that. But now connections, Wordle, crossword, chess, and full. I'll get rid of full as well. Cut. Boom. And each one of these, I did exactly that. Double click it till it's open. All this is the connections thing, I think. Hello. Hello, meow. It's a connections thing from beginning to end, right? And then this is just Wordle, from begin to end. And then this is crossword from begin to end. And if you look, it has its own thing. For instance, this is zoomed out for full. Wordle isn't. So each one, I'm sorry, this is blowing my mind. Each one is its own separate presentation. And not only that, but it's up here as well. Connections, Wordle, chess, and crossword. And another thing you can do, for instance, if I want to put chess at the end, I can grab it and move it, and now it's in that, that's amazing. And then if I go to, it needs to be sequence. I haven't even edited it yet. So go to File, and then I do Export Media. It will only export media that's chess. It won't do the rest of them, which means what I can do is I can do 4 productions in one project using sequences. Isn't that amazing? Oh, and yeah, that's amazing. And File and then save. Right, that's all I wanted to do, and I'm just going to put this as is. Okay, I hope this is helpful for someone. You have a great day. Look at the sky more often.